Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign in to your YouTube mobile app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open the YouTube app on your phone. After you open it, what you need to do is click on your profile on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. So if you have already signed in, you will be shown this profile. Now, in order for you to sign in using your other account, you can see the switch account option. Go ahead and click on the switch account. And you can see that there are some of the Google account or Gmail accounts which you have signed in on your device. To sign in on your YouTube app, just go ahead and click on the Google account. And as soon as you click on it, a new YouTube page or a new YouTube channel will be created with the same initials of your Google account. But if you want to create a new Google account or a new YouTube channel, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and click on your profile, click on switch account, and you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. You can authenticate yourself, and then it's pretty easy to sign in using another Google account. You can sign in using your other Google account which you have, and then you will automatically be signed in on the YouTube app as well. So let me show it to you once again. Open YouTube, click on the profile on the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click on switch accounts. Some of the Google accounts which you have logged in will be shown. So go ahead and click on the Google account which you want to sign in with, and there you go. This is how easy it is to sign into your YouTube mobile app using Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.